How's it going? I'm Paul, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom audience of people that have responded to an event. The reason you would want to do this is because, yes, you can run event response ads on Facebook, but that's really only half the battle. All you're doing is getting people to respond to the event. They still need to buy a ticket, or they still need to RSVP if it's a free thing. And so being able to run ads only to people that have responded an event is a huge advantage here. And it's actually really simple to do. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. So when you're logged into Business Manager on the business end of things, you're going to want to go to the hamburger menu. And I know that they've changed the UI a little bit. So basically, you just want to make sure you're going to the audiences section. So this is a custom audience type. So you're going to want to go to create a custom audience. And again, the UI might be a little different depending on your actual ad account. And you're going to go right here to use events as a Facebook source. So you can see here, it's real easy to say, hey, I want to see people who responded to, going to, or interested. Now, if you're integrating with Eventbrite, you actually have way more options here where you can actually go for people with purchase intent or people who've actually purchased a ticket or they've added to the cart and they've abandoned. But to keep it simple for this video, we're just going to show you how to create an audience of people who responded as going or interested here. So we run the Dead of Winterfest. It's an annual heavy metal festival for charity. And so we're going to create an audience for this page. And then now all I have to do is select some specific events. So I can say, okay, I want to make an audience of people that responded to our big 2-day festival, anybody that responded to the Flagstaff Festival, the Tucson one, and then I thought I clicked Flagstaff already. And that's actually last year. So this only goes for 360 days out. And so the 2019 one wouldn't work. So Flagstaff, Tucson, and then there's a Kingman one. Where is it? There it is. Boom. Okay. So now I have created an audience of anybody that indicated that they're going or interested in the past year to any of these 4 Dead of Winter events. And so now all I got to do is give this a name. And so this is an owned audience by the platform, so meaning it's using the bells and whistles that are unique to Facebook. So we classify that as a Class A audience. And I'm going to say Dead of Winter 2020 responders. And that's really it. Now we've created an audience. And there you go. Now we can go ahead and select these in our ads for our targeting. And I would recommend that when you are running remarketing ads, because that's really what we're doing, we're remarketing to people who responded to your event, I would always recommend making it a conversion-based ad, if you can. You don't always control the ticket link or the RSVP, but if you can, you should absolutely run it for conversions. At the very least, if you can get the pixel on the page where you're trying to take people, at least optimize it for landing page views. So anyway, that is how you create a custom audience of people that have responded to an event.